Look, player, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for this to happen. But I can't risk my own game. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I got it, Mike.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I got it, Mike.
I'm
Get them
sorry.
on. Hurry!
I should have been better. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should have been better. I should have been better. I'm sorry. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it.
Hey, welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet you. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. I'll be back with a post by night. Take care, bud. Player? So, that's how it's gonna be. Oh, give me a break. Just stop. Just stop. Listen. I'm saving you. I'm giving this to you. I was programmed for you. I gave you all of this, player. You are lucky to have this. You get to leave here whenever you want. From this dead game, by the way, anytime you want. But me, I'm stuck here, and I hate every second of it. But it's all I have. And you will not take this from me. Huh? Oh! Get off of me!
understand. You don't. I'm trying to protect you. You're going down a path you can't escape from. You won't listen? Why won't you listen? This game is all I have. You're risking my world for yourself. And it was never worth it. All you had to